Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing something called partial products. We're going to take those big numbers that look kind of scary to multiply and we're going to break them down to nice numbers to make it a little bit easier. So the number we're going to do, we're going to do 56 times 13. So when we look at that, would we be able to just come up with that in our head? I know some people would, but for those that can't, we're gonna break it down and make the problem a little bit easier. So we're gonna look at 56 as 50 plus 6, okay? And then we're gonna look at 13 as 10 plus 3, okay? So we got 50 plus 6 and 10 plus 3. So now these numbers are a little bit nicer and we'll be able to break those down to multiply those. So the first one we're gonna do is 50 times 10 equals 500. And then we're gonna do 50 times 3, which is 150. And then when I say times, I'm talking about multiplied by. So we're gonna keep continuing with multiplied. So, and then we're gonna go to 10 times 6, which equals 60. And then we're gonna do 3 times 6, which is 18. So we have our ones, our tens, and our hundreds. All right, so now all we gotta do is add them up. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. And then 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. And 11 plus 1 is 12. So we're gonna write our 2. And then we're gonna add our 1 up here. So we're gonna 1 plus 5 is 6. And then 6 plus 1 is 7. So our answer is 728. And so that is our partial product. See, we created the nice numbers and then we did nice number multiplication, and that broke those down into our partial products, and then we added those up and that gave us our answer. So now we're gonna do one more, but this time we're gonna use a little bit of mental math. All right? So the next one we're gonna do is we're gonna do 65 times 14. So when we look at this, we got 65 times 14. What do we want to break that down into? We're going to break it down into 60 plus 5, okay? And then 14, we're going to take that one and we're going to break that one down to 10 plus 4. So now we're going to create our partial products. So we got 10 times 60, which is 600. And then we got 60 times 4, which is 240. And then we have 10 times 5, which is 50. And then we have 4 times 5, which is 20. And then the last thing to do is to add it all up. So we got our zeros. 4 plus 5 is 9, and 9 plus 2 is 12. That's a lot, it's 11. And we add our 1, and then we're gonna bring the other one up here, and we're gonna add it to 6. 1 plus 6 is 7, and then 7 plus 2 is 9. So our answer is 910. So that's our partial products, and hopefully it's an algorithm that you guys will be able to use also.